David was in love with this car. He built it to run on hydrogen and fumes. He drove it across the country with no hood and a whole bunch of stuff sticking out the front. It's squatted from how bad the tires are. There it goes, leaving its last remaining mark on the world for now. You can speed this part up and post edit because this driveway is freaking crazy. I think that should be good. If you can even find the brake. It's sliding, not rolling. Look at those wheels. Yikes-a-roni.
I guess a bonus to it being right here. We could list it real quick and just see if someone wants it
for what it is. The headlights.
What?
I do like the shape of the headlights.
I like the shape of everything about this car.
It's a cute little car. Boing, boing, boing. Heavy.
I'm putting this right where you want.
You couldn't tell. The trailer's been sitting here for a while. It's pretty though. Still bad, it's about to get messed up. That's pretty too. And have you ever stabbed yourself on one of these? It looks harmless, but let me tell you, they're fucking stabby. They hurt like a bitch. Not fun. Oh, action. Yeah.
You have to throw some of it forwards. But also, we have to chalk these wheels.
Yeah. Use a wheel to chuck a wheel.
No chalk.
Because I'm iconic. And I love to do iconic shit.
This idea rocks. You ever think about how often you and I are just alone, not even filming, and we just say, like, quotes, like, comic book style catchphrase kind of things? A lot.
We have catchphrases. Cue another fast forward. David wishes he could go that fast every time. I think that's everything, right?
Sad. The little guy.